In the meantime, beyond 2022, it will still be practically a Duterte-appointed Supreme Court.
Yes.
What
Yes.
bearing will that have on a case that you intend to bring to the judiciary?
Yes. Usually may study rin that the appointees in the Supreme Court, not just the Philippines, begin to distance themselves from the appointing authority more than 1 year and a half after the appointment. That's the first. The second is, I think the new president will appoint the new Chief Justice. And that's what matters. Whether that Chief Justice was appointed by the previous president, the fact is, his or her Chief Justiceship is coming from the president, the incumbent president at the time. So para sa akin, yeah, well, ganun talaga. And as you said kanina, everything is political dito. So that could go against us, but that could also go in our favor.
Delving into politics here. The next question is really whether the courts will be swayed, or let's just say will be relied upon to stand its ground, independent of the political leadership, whatever that might be, in 2023.
The first, what I meant initially doon sa cooperation, the evidence itself. The police, the documents will be there. Inaccessible sa amin yan ngayon. We don't have the data kasi. But by 2022, tingin ko, it will be more accessible to lawyers now. So that's the first thing. That's what I meant. Well, courts, Congress, Senate, well, usually may impact syempre kung sinong presidente sa kanila. No? Ganun talaga ang buhay sa Pilipinas. But tingin naman namin, the case is strong enough na talagang maipanalo naman namin on the basis of evidence.
That would be so voluminous, though.
Very.
When you're talking about that, how is it really realistic or feasible, even?
I don't know if it will be
And not to
feasible.
mention that you might be running against prescriptive time periods.
Yes. Well,
Right.
9851 expressly says there is no prescription to crime against humanity. This is a very big law, actually. Nobody noticed it before. Walang prescription. You can file it anytime, so many years later. So, but you know what? You're right, Luchi. It's not going to be easy. So, we will need a lot of lawyers and law students to help us file that someday. It's not going to be easy. But I guess, di ba, I mean, sabi nila, it's not only because wala kaming masagot sa pamilya ng victims eh. Parang ako, hindi naman ako namatayan ng pamilya. Ay, maybe tayo, hindi. Pero sila maramdaman mo eh na pinatay yung anak ko, wala man lang akong recourse. Kaya ang nasabi namin sa kanila dati, ay sisi po kung gusto nyo. Kaya lang baka maharas kayo, baka we cannot assure your safety. Alam mo, may ilang matapang na nanay talaga. Nasabi na, we don't care, napatay kong patay. Anak namin yung namatay eh. So, hindi naman namin masabing, well, we can't do it in 2022. It will be difficult. Human rights lawyering, sa ngayon, at least walang income yan eh. So, we have to really encourage lawyers to come in and file these cases in as many places as possible.